student, welcome back. I hope all are fine and safe. So I am here to teach you the moral science of class 2. As you can see, the chapter is 1 and the name of the chapter is True to Myself. So before introducing this lesson, I want to give a short introduction of this chapter. So what is the topic? It is True to Myself. Do you know what does it mean? To be true to yourself means to act according to yourself, and what you believe, you should be honest to yourself. It is so important to carry honesty and truthfulness for yourself, whether to express it to others. If you just listen to your inner voice, it will be guide you in the right direction. And you cannot be true to anyone else until you are true to yourself. Understood? And this quality will make you unique and you will start respecting yourself. And when you will respect yourself, other will also respect you too. Okay? So now let's start the lesson. What are Sam, Jia, Isha and Raju doing? Are they being honest? So let's check. Children, you can see this is Sam and he is saying, I broke a vase. I will throw away the pieces, but I would not tell mom. Children, what do you think? Is it right to hide something with our elders? No, it is not right. Why? Because whenever this kind of mistake is done by you, tell your mother first. Maybe she will scold you, but she will love you for your truthfulness. Okay. Second one is Jia. This is Jia and she is saying, these crayons are so nice. Let me take some. Nobody is looking. Children, Jia is thinking nobody will see her if she will steal few crayons. But she forgot she is present and then she also watching herself. And this way she can never be true to herself. Understood? Now the next one is Isha. You can see what she is saying. I did not do my homework. I will tell my teacher I was sick. Children, I know you all also think like this. Whenever you do your homework. But this way you are telling lie with your teacher and yourself too. Understood? Now the last one is Raju. See what Raju is telling. I do not like my own lunch. Let me take some cookies from Adi's lunchbox. Is he doing right? No. Why? Because he is stealing his friend's cookies. It can be shared also by his friend's permission. Suppose when his friend Adi will know that Raju has stolen his cookies, then he will never respect Raju, and this way Raju will lose his self-respect too. Understood? So this page is over, student. Now let's come in next page. You can see this one is poem. Now read the poem and then explanation. Black is black and white is white. If black is called blue, will it be right? If I do something that I should not do, I should say sorry and to myself be true. It could be a jug I broke today. It could be a book I lost on the way. It could be a homework I did not do. I need to own up and to myself be true. I know when I am wrong. I almost always do, and from today I will to myself be true. Children, this poem is trying to make us understand that it is not right to say wrong things. For example, if black is called blue, will it be right? No. If, for example, if your name is Ram and I will call you Shyam, will it be right? No. So same here. Sometime we make mistake. For example, suppose a jug has broken by you, or you lost your book or you have not done your homework. These types of mistake we done. By mistake, these types of mistake we maybe do. Okay. Now you can see here is some key points. Not telling the truth is called lying. Yes, if we lie, we will be called liars. Second, taking something that is not yours is called stealing. If something is not ours and we take that stuff without asking anyone, then we call it a stole. Okay. Third, if you do something wrong, own up and say sorry. If we make some mistake, we should accept that mistake and we should say sorry. Understood? So, students, from this chapter, we learn about honesty. Understood? Children, we all are humans and this is a human nature to do mistakes, but it does not mean that you will not accept it. Acceptance of your mistake is honesty. If you lie with others and it will come out after some times, then you will lose your impression. And if once you will commit your honesty will be proved. So from today you all decide to be honest and true to yourself. Okay. Now let's come in exercise. But before introducing this exercise, I want to clear you one thing. Whatever PDF and written notes plan you are getting, that one you have to write and learn carefully. Okay. Now you can see this first. If you do something wrong, what should you say? If you do something wrong, you should accept it and say sorry for it. Okay. Second, if you broke a glass or cup, what would you do? Hide the broken pieces or tell your mother? If we broke a glass or cup, we should not hide the broken pieces or will tell to our mother. Third, if you forgot to do your homework, would you tell the teacher the truth or pretend to you were sick? If I forgot to do our homework, I should tell true to my teacher. Yes, I forgot to do my homework, but never give any excuse. Now they fill in the blanks. Isha is going to tell her teacher a lie. You will put here tick lie in, you will write here lie. Jia wants to steal the crayons, not buy. You will write here steal. Third, Sam does not want his mother to know that he broke a vase. Raju eats things from other people's lunch boxes. Who is eating? Raju, not Jia. Now come in. Put a tick if these people are being honest and put wrong if not. I did not brush my teeth at night, but I told my mother I did. Here we will put wrong. Why? Because if I did not brush my teeth, then we should tell to our mother, yes, I did not done. But don't tell lie. Second, Rina was hungry. She ate a sandwich from Anna's lunchbox when Anna went out of the classroom. Here we will also put wrong. Why? Because wrong without permission we can't eat anyone's lunch. We must take permission. Then we will eat. Third, Raju forgot his pencil. He took Mani's pencil from his bag. Here we will also put wrong. Why? Because it is good habit. Because it is a bad habit. No, we must take permission first. Without permission, we can't take anyone's pencil. Sam found some money on the floor. He gave it to the teacher. Yes, here we will put a tick. Why? Because it is good habit. If we found anything from anywhere, we should return it to teachers. Fifth, Tina found Kim's pencil box in the playground. She took it home and gave it to her brother. So we will put here wrong. Why? Because we should return it to teacher but never take it home. Understood, children? this exercise is over. Now I want to tell, whatever PDF and written plans you are getting, please write and learn it carefully, and whatever problem you have regarding this chapter, you can knock for it. Okay, thank you.